What time is it in San Francisco? You see, this is... Nope, it's not happening here.
Look, in preparation of Wear OS 4 and to keep all of you guys in the loop, I update my apps on my Galaxy Watch 4 and 5 every day, just like I did this morning. And most of the time we see good things happening, like right here with WhatsApp. With the latest update, we really have some good improvements here, like a new section to view your contact in chats, which also shows the about for your contact. Another improvement is the dedicated WhatsApp voice recording tile, which will record a message right away once you tap on your desired contact, and before this update you had to go through an extra step. So this is obviously a welcome change. Well, when it comes to the Google Assistant, it is rather a frustrating experience, let me tell you that.
What time is it? What time is it? What time is it?
All of this happened this morning just after the update. Every time I try to use my Google Assistant on my Galaxy Watch, it wants to play a song. Yes, the well-known Samsung song that comes pre-installed with every Galaxy Watch.
After this update. Okay, let me try again. What time is it? I don't want to listen to this song anymore.
Now, every time I use my voice in order to give the Google Assistant my instructions, it comes up with the word play automatically. And there's not really a lot I can do apart from a restart, which I'm doing right now to see if that fixes the issue. Well, after the restart, as you can see here, I even have more errors like this connection error.
Okay, so this is what's happening after I restarted the Galaxy Watch. Something went wrong, but let me see. Oh, here we go. It's coming up. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it?
After playing with the Google Assistant all day on my Galaxy Watch, it goes back to normal once in a while, but it will revert back to playing that one song all the time, no matter what I say or do.
Call JP via WhatsApp.
Which can really be highly annoying, especially if you are out in public and you want to use your Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch and that song keeps coming up. I would advise you to be careful with the latest update for your Google Assistant, but let me know if you guys also have similar issues or if this is just an isolated incident with me for my Galaxy Watch 4 and 5. And I hope I earned your subscription today, so thank you for watching. Peace out.